We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
We're making our favorite meatballs. These are simple, tender, and juicy. Let's do it. Add milk to breadcrumbs in a large bowl, and then add an egg, finely grated Parmesan cheese, oregano, salt, and pepper. Stir until well blended. Add whatever ground meat you have access to. We are using a combination of ground turkey and ground pork. Use a fork to gently mix everything until combined. For the most tender meatballs, try your best not to overmix. These meatballs can be cooked a variety of ways. We're showing 2 ways here: baked and cooked in a skillet on the stove. For more tips and cooking methods, check the recipe on Inspired Taste. To bake them, form the meatball mixture into balls and then place onto a baking sheet, leaving a little space in between each meatball. Lightly brush or spray the tops of the meatballs with oil and bake until they are cooked through. To pan fry the meatballs, heat oil in the bottom of a wide skillet over medium heat. Place the meatballs down into the hot oil and cook until they are cooked through and the outsides are browned. Depending on how large your skillet is, you might need to do this in batches. A non-stick or heavy-bottomed skillet is useful for this, and I like using 2 forks for flipping since they can sometimes stick a little. If you feel a meatball is sticking to the pan, gently wiggle it back and forth until it comes free. And that's it, our favorite recipe for juicy and tender meatballs. Remember, the full recipe with lots of tips is on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.